How to fix TikTok search bar. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging into your account, you can just go to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Then tap on settings and privacy. And as you tap on settings and privacy, it will lead you to settings option, and all you have to do is just scroll down to the very end and tap on logout. So as you tap on logout, you'll be able to just get out of the TikTok system, and after that just log in again, and this might solve the issue. Now if that does not solve the issue, what you can do is make a long press on TikTok and then go to the app info, and then after tapping on app info, you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on clear data and then you can clear cache. Tap on OK. After that, you can also see if you can uninstall this application, and after uninstalling, you can just reinstall the application and then your problem might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.